Split string on Whitespace in Python. I'm looking for the Python equivalent of
the str.split method without an argument splits on Whitespace.
Another method through remodule. It does the reverse operation of matching all the words instead of splitting the whole sentence by space. Above regex would match one or more non-space characters.
Using split will be the most Pythonic way of splitting on a string. It's also useful to remember that if you use split on a string that does not have a whitespace, then that string will be returned to you in a list. Example.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.